me see how I look. Yeah, it's high res. I think it works. Okay, so where were we? Yeah, we were doing research about collagen. Let me see. Me gusta makan, me gusta si. Me gusta marijuana, me gusta su. Me gusta hablar, me gusta su. Que hoy sé, que hoy sé. How do I go to my channel? View your channel. Yes. How do I copy the live stream link? This is the only way. Copy. Me gusta marijuana, me gusta su. Me gusta marijuana, me gusta si. Me gusta marijuana, me gusta su. Eko yo sé, eko yo sa. I think I need to restart my screen capture, properties, restart capture. Okay. We were doing research. Oh yeah. And my document was here.
And protein. So you're talking about like salmon, nuts, seeds, berries, raspberries, blackberries, strawberries, really rich in antioxidants, leafy greens like spinach, collard greens, kale, as well as citrus fruits because of vitamin C. All of these are collagen boosting foods that have been proven over time. Bone broth is a trend that has recently come about. It is worth doing or trying or looking into if you're looking to boost your own collagen.
But berries are very important, huh? Berries are very important for synthesis. You know what I want to know? How exactly is collagen synthesized? In your body. Why am I getting finasteride for prostate? What the hell? Ooh, animated biology with Apran. Okay, sure, I'll see this.
Hello, in this video we'll talk about collagen. So collagen is a fibrous protein and you must be very familiar with collagen because collagen is found in skin, hair cells, connective tissues, bones, in our tendons and nails. So collagen is pretty much everywhere. In fact, collagen is the major component of the extracellular matrix. Collagen is also the most abundant protein in the animal kingdom. Now, initially it was thought that the fibroblasts present in the connective tissues, they secrete collagen. But
yeah, that's what happens.
Now the concept has changed and it is also discovered that several epithelial cells can secrete collagen and they might have distinct functions. So in this video we'll talk about the structure, the function, the synthesis and how this collagen is associated with disease. So let's begin. Collagen is a large family of proteins, at least having 30 different subtypes. So there are two broad subtypes. One is fibrillar collagen, which includes type 1, 2, 3, 5 and 9, and non-fibrillar, which has quite a lot of member in that. For example, fibril associated collagen, which has type 11, type 12, etc. There are also short chain collagen. There are basement membrane associated collagen, especially type 4 collagen is basement membrane associated. There is multiplexing, which has a multiple triple helical domain, which we would talk in future. And there is microfibril forming, anchoring. Pretty much one collagen is collagen is generally found in our cartilages. Type 3 collagen is generally found in connective tissue, whereas type 4 is found in basal lamina. The epithelium of the basal
lamina is okay, wait, I'll show you a photo. This is the basal lamina. This is the deeper layer of your skin, and this is the epidermis, the up of 3. Okay, so this is basal lamina. यहाँ से सारे cells वगैरह all the things your skin needs यहाँ से produce होके ऊपर जाती हैं, and then like they get filtered and filtered. I shouldn't say filtered. Skin cycle, KMS, keratinocyte maturation cycle. यहाँ पे जो भी चीज़ प्रोड्यूस होती है keratinocyte कहते हैं, और keratinocyte ऊपर जाते जाते यहाँ से फिर shed off हो जाते हैं from the skin. So that's what this guy is talking about. This is the basal layer. यहाँ पे जो type 4 वाले collagen होते हैं, type 4 right? Yeah, type 4 वाले जो collagen होते हैं, they're formed here, and these type 4 collagens then get up here, and then धीरे धीरे like इसमें उन्होंने ढंग से दिखाया नहीं है, but ये I think elasticine होगी और इस यहीं पे कोलाजन, this is collagen. See, this is collagen. So अगर यहाँ पे बढ़िया मात्रा में होगा, then obviously जब यही वाली स्किन लेयर ऊपर जाएगी शेड होने के लिए, then यहाँ पे भी अच्छा होगा, है ना?
The lamina secretes type 4 collagen, and type 5 collagen is generally found in surfaces of hair. Collagen is composed of a triple helix, and it has two identical chain which has alpha 1 and alpha 2 collagen in our has a left-handed helix with a helix, the right-handed triple-stranded helix, and this have more than 25 different alpha helix chain combinations. So the diverse secreted. About 44 genes are present in how tells us about the diversity of these proteins. So let's talk about how collagen is synthesized and secreted. About 44 genes are present in human which encodes for collagen. So after it is encoded, it moves to the endoplasmic reticulum surface where it would be translated with the help of ribosomes. Then a pre-pro peptide moves inside the endoplasmic reticulum where a bunch of modifications happen. So first of all, the propeptide have an N-terminal signal sequence which is removed. Then there is hydroxylation reaction, and there are specific enzymes known as prolyl hydroxylase or lysyl hydroxylase that hydroxylate these residues. After that, glycosylation occurs at specific residues in these groups.
Okay.
Lastly, so cellular mate, then that is taken care of their fibrils. And
okay, so helix, a bunch of helix make up a microfibril, which make a bunch of microfibril make up a collagen fibril, and a bunch of collagen fibril make up collagen fibers. Okay, I get it.
Each microfibril is actually made up of collagen helix. So now we understand the hierarchy of collagen structural organization. Now let's talk about the amino acid composition. Collagen is majorly consists of glycine and proline. Other than that, there could be modified amino acids such as hydroxyproline and hydroxylysine present in collagen. Now the basic architecture for collagen helix is a triplet repeat, which is called glycine X and Y, where X could be proline, Y could be hydroxyproline in the most common cases. Now these collagen modifying enzymes require vitamin C. So that is why in case of vitamin C deficiency, such as scurvy, these hydroxylase enzyme are non-functional because vitamin C is the cofactor for them. Now that is why there is loose organization of collagen, and we can see it in our bleeding gums, which becomes more pulpy, and the nice structural organization is lost. So that is how collagen is also associated with disease. Now let's talk about the summary, what we have learned so far. First, we talked about the structure, we moved to the classification of collagen, then we looked at how collagen is synthesized and secreted out of the cell, the hierarchy of the structural organization, all these things in this short video. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like this video, give it a quick thumbs up. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. If you want my detailed course that is present in Unacademy, which is India's biggest learning platform, you can use my code AP10 to get a 10% discount. Thank you. See you in the next video, and do let me know in the comment how you like my videos. Thank you.
Okay, so that clears a lot of things up. Now we need to know, you know what, I'm gonna go to Google Scholar. I need to know how well topical collagen works. Hydrolysates for skin protection. Topical collagen-based biomaterials for chronic wounds, rationale and clinical application. No, this is not what I need. On anti-aging and inhibition of glycation on the skin. Okay, does this have a control group? I don't know. Department of Dermatology, Korea. Okay. What is this name? Cutaneous Biology Research Institute. Bro, these people have cool names. In this study, they've sought to investigate the effects of a topical CTP, which is hydrolyzed collagen tripeptide, also known as vegan collagen, I think, is vegan. Okay, but this also has vegan options. Skin aging is combined results of intrinsic factors and external factors. Particular external factors such as UVR exposure have shown significant impact of skin cell aging. Yeah. In the final analysis, after 4 weeks, data from 22 participants was collected and analyzed. Okay. Skin roughness. Huh? What the hell? You know, they reduced it by a factor of 5% in 4 weeks. ऐसा कुछ खास वो क्यों नहीं आया इसमें इम्प्रूवमेंट? Baseline इतना तो 4 weeks में इतना हुआ. What the hell? Okay, so skin density showed a significant increase by 10%. Furthermore, skin surface elasticity increased. Maximum collagen strength after application of topical collagen tripeptide also significantly increased. Okay. AG accumulation in the skin was at baseline, and it was significantly reduced to 2.16. Okay, I don't think I read this right. I don't think I read this part right. ये जो 20.077 20.77 to 19.24, this is a drastic decrease, I think. Skin roughness इतनी ज़्यादा decrease हुई. Okay. Overall average percentage of subjects who responded to very satisfied after an overall improvement caused by aging at the end of was 95.5%. One subject rated slightly satisfied with respect to the test product and overall improvement of the facial skin. No adverse events were observed during the 4-week period, and none of the participants dropped out of the study because of adverse events, suggesting the test product formulation was safe to use. Collagen is very safe to use. Yeah, it occurs naturally in your body. There is no reason for your body to reject it. However, if you were allergic to fish, then you need to see how your collagen is made. If you're allergic to chickpeas, you need to see how it is made, because chickpeas might have gluten. Wait, do chickpeas have gluten? I don't think they have gluten. Do chickpeas? Nope, chickpeas are gluten free. Yeah, then you don't need to worry about the chickpea one. Okay, so this is our control group. Last is inhibition activity. Whoa. I understand a bit more about this now. I don't know, this is just things like these make sense to me a lot more than YouTube videos like ये हो जाएगा आपके साथ, ये भी हो जाएगा आपके साथ. I don't know, maybe I'm just a visual reader. No, I am an audio visual reader too, but learner too, but I don't think people make good content for skincare. That's the problem. If a doctor was to explain this study, it would get them no views, except it would get them trusted views. People who see someone explaining this study to them will subscribe on the spot. Anybody who has any amount of brain power, because who doesn't want to know about this, man? This shows how exactly collagen works and to what degree does it work. No, 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 no. Okay, cool. What else? Effective topic on collagen. नहीं, ये तो कुछ और है. Effectiveness and mechanism of collagen-induced topical hemostasis. Collagen was a highly effective topical hemostasis agent around the arterial arteries, and in addition, topical application of epidermal growth factor accelerates wound healing by the wound healing thing. This is not just for rats. This happens in patients who use our berry repair cream on their chale and stuff like that. It really does happen. Collagen concentration of the facial skin of postmenopausal women. Topical treatment, effect of collagen clay application by the synthesis of collagen in skin. Okay, this is very interesting. I'm guessing they put multani mitti, reject and manage. अरे यार भाड़ में जाओ ना. अबे मेरे को नहीं चाहिए तुम्हारी कुकीज़. Strictly essential cookies तो रही चाहिए होंगे. वाह. Clay is often used in cosmetic treatment. To evaluate the effect of topical clay, are they gonna tell what kind of clay it is? In rat skin? This is a fucking high-end study, man. I don't want to know this. Wait, what is this? Allergic reaction to oral, surgical and topical bovine collagen. Anaphylactic risks for surgeons. 2 cases of allergy reactions to bovine collagen are described. Both patients developed conjunctional edema in response to the topical application. Collagen. Oh, this is about a surgery. One patient developed pericular angioedema and angioedema of the throat after the ingestion of bovine collagen in the form of gelatin containing roux. Presence of allergen-specific IgE was evaluated by skin prick testing with collagen-derived products and by topical challenge with a highly purified bovine collagen-derived corneal shield. In both patients, application of collagen to the eye reproduced the original subconjunctival edema. In one patient, skin testing with purified and crude extracts of bovine collagen in the form of corneal shield, catgut suture material, and edible gelatin demonstrated evidence of collagen-specific IE. Clinical reactions to collagen are rare. Yeah, it is really rare. That's why I opened the study. But nevertheless, patients with a history of allergic reaction to bovine collagen-derived products should be investigated because of widespread use of collagen-derived therapeutic devices, the potential for immunologic cross-reactivity with dietary collagen, and the potential for anaphylaxis. Oh man, this is fucking interesting. Topical application of complement C3 in collagen formulation increase early wound healing. Effects of topical estradiol on the face skin collagen of postmenopausal women. I want to know topical collagen skin. This works here. Effects of 1 year intermittent. Okay, so bioactive peptides SA13. Wait, I don't know the types of peptides. Wait. Yeah, this is bad.
The top categories of peptides that I really love using are first going to be the growth hormone secretagogues. So if you want,
No, I need flowchart. I'll just Google this. Brother, what the fuck? Types of peptides in skincare. Carrier peptides, signaling peptides, and enzyme inhibiting peptides. Okay, this is enough. You know what I need to know first? The relationship between collagen and peptides. See, the main use is osteoarthritis. This is this reminds me of osteoporosis from penguins, but this is basically a knee disease. It's used for dry skin and aging skin. So I don't know how much it will help your body glow, because what collagen does is strictly for skin elasticity. So all these people saying collagen से हमारी skin glow होने लगी, I really don't understand that. Like maybe light better diffuse होती है तुम्हारे face पे when you're shooting your videos after taking money from collagen companies. Yeah, I found this epidermal growth factor. I'm still thinking about collagen and how it can be vegan. Yeah, vegan collagen is not yet widely available. They have reduced chances of allergic reactions like most vegan things. Yeah. So I'm gonna start structuring my video now. I think I have enough research for collagen. Oh wait, I had something I wanted to see. Oh, I can't believe I got out of this page. It's not even gonna come back again. Did what is this? What is this? Did they actually use Kushi Kapoor and then just Photoshop her into looking like a fish? Bro, come on. A UAV? Oh, I want to build a UAV. Yes, now I look like a vampire. Now I like it. Yes. Collar. Yeehaw. I was gonna say collagen myths. हाँ इसकी बॉडी कोलाजन से ही तो बनी है साला पैसे दे दो कोई
Well, hey guys, it's time we revisit the topic of hydrolysis.
इन्फ्लुएंसर्स को तो देखता ही नहीं हूँ मैं अब सीधे डॉक्टरों पे जाता हूँ You know, these kids are obsessed with Khushi Kapoor. I wonder how they will react when they find out कि किसी कंपनी ने उसका चेहरा उल्टा सीधा कर दिया है. AP Dillon would lose his shit. Yeah, these people are so obsessed with Khushi Kapoor. So I was saying, अब तो मैं क्या कहते हैं इन्फ्लुएंसर्स के तो वीडियो पे जाता ही नहीं हूँ, साला सब पीआर पैकेज लेके बैठे हैं. I directly go to doctor videos. This is Dr. Dre, YouTube certified doctor. I mean, सरकार ने certify किया है, YouTube को पता है कि सरकार ने certify किया है. The truth about taking collagens. Okay, let's start.
Hydrolyzed collagen peptide dietary supplements. I have many videos on my channel about these supplements. Do they actually work to improve the skin? Do they actually work for the hair, the nails? I'm going to link some of those videos down below in the description box so you have more background information. But in today's video, I'm actually going to be busting a handful of myths that I see perpetuated regarding hydrolyzed collagen peptide dietary supplements. First of all, collagen. It is a very abundant protein found in various connective tissues in animals. And of course, it's super abundant in the skin. It provides structural support to the skin along with hyaluronic acid as well as elastin. But as we age, there is a decline in collagen quality and quantity in our skin, and this is what contributes to the appearance of aging skin in the form of wrinkles, increased laxity, sallowness, fragility. So wouldn't it be wonderful if we could just ingest collagen and have it go back into our skin? Fortunately, you can't just eat collagen and have it go into your skin because it's this very large protein and it's not digestible.
Collagen supplements,
Herein comes the role for collagen peptides. These are actually small, little, tiny fragments of digested collagen. These are produced actually from collagen naturally sourced from animals, namely bone, maybe ligaments. There's a lot of interest and research out there looking at taking hydrolyzed collagen peptides, and a lot of the research out there really does show promise for these supplements improving moisture content in the skin, reducing wrinkles, improving skin elasticity, giving an overall improvement in brightness, a decrease in pore size. These studies
you get an increase in glow on your skin because of the increased hydration. I get it.
while compelling, they do suffer many limitations, including small size and heterogeneity, meaning each study does things a lot different from another study. So what are some myths that I hear around hydrolyzed collagen peptide supplements? Number one myth is just eat gelatin. It's the same thing. It is not. Gelatin is collagen that has been denatured and partially hydrolyzed, meaning it's not been broken into those tiny little digestible peptides. That's not to say that gelatin is bad or that it's useless, but if you are specifically seeking to achieve the outcomes demonstrated in the studies, and again, they have their limitations, but if that's what you're looking for, well, you're going to actually be missing out if you just go with gelatin. Because gelatin is not those small little peptide fragments, they're much larger fragments. You're not going to be, it's not the same thing. So you're not going to be pursuing the same outcome. Gelatin, in contrast to hydrolyzed collagen peptides, has some properties to it that make it desirable, namely as a food additive, in that it has the property of, well, gelling. So yeah, that's an advantage of gelatin over hydrolyzed peptides. The second myth is similar to the first, and that is just eat bone broth. It's the same thing as hydrolyzed collagen peptides. It's not. Bone broth is made basically by simmering bones in water with a little bit of added vinegar to liberate amino acids, nutrients like calcium and phosphorus. And the reason why bone broth is not going to yield the same outcomes, or is unlikely to yield the same outcomes as hydrolyzed collagen peptides, again, boils down to the fact that it is not enriched actually in these collagen peptides. The constitution of bone broth, both commercially available bone broth preparations as well as a basic recipe for bone broth, and the mean concentration of key amino acids found in hydrolyzed collagen peptides, the proline, hydroxyproline, glycine, the ones that you want for the intended outcome, very low actually in bone broth compared to hydrolyzed collagen peptides. Bone broth is something you enjoy eating by all means, but I do think that a lot of wellness accounts, influencers, overhype bone broth, when in reality, the nutrient profile is not that great, to underscore what they are claiming, I will say. The amino acid composition, as well as the micronutrient composition of bone broth, varies tremendously. It's going to vary depending on the animal, the age of the animal, the preparation methods. Just keep that in mind, because a lot of wellness accounts that sell bone broth supplements, they're going to oversell on the nutritional benefits of it.
Okay, so gelatin, bone broth, not very well for collagen because they have raw collagen.
Number 3 myth, just eat protein. Just eat more animal-based protein. Surely you'll be getting enough of the amino acids that you find in these hydrolyzed collagen supplements. Just eat some tough cuts of meat like brisket or pot roast. Again, it all boils down to the fact, no pun intended, so we're talking about cooking, that this is not going to...
Can you believe this fucking video worked outside of India? In 11 months it has 3 lakh views. This is pure knowledge. This video would never work in India. मैं अपनी हाथ पैर आँख मुंह नाक सब दे सकता हूँ इस चीज़ को बोलने के लिए कि ये वीडियो इंडिया में काम नहीं करेगी. इंडिया की ऑडियंस को चाहिए खुशी कपूर, एपी ढिल्लोन. Should I use the Khushi Kapoor thing in my video, huh? Chat, what do you think about that? I want to try making this kind of content, but who the fuck is gonna listen to it? This is like half the length of my podcast, and a video of this video is gonna be fucking dope because मैं तो 5 मिनट तक पहुंच गया and I didn't even get distracted yet. Unbelievable, man. Unbelievable. Let's start.
Actually provide you with reliable levels of the hydrolyzed collagen peptides, those small, available, digestible, absorbable peptides that lead to the presumed benefits that you are seeking in terms of the skin. Eating more meat is not the same thing as pursuing hydrolyzed collagen peptide. Another myth that I hear is like, well, this is all BS because surely you're just going to consume these peptides and they're just going to get broken down in your digestive tract, digested just like any other protein and absorbed into the body. They're not going to have it's not any different than just making sure that you have enough protein in your diet. And that's not true either. When you eat, peptides, proteins, that they are broken down into amino acids, which are absorbed into the circulation. Yes, that is true. But also, your body can absorb peptides intact as they are across the small intestine into the circulation. And that has actually been demonstrated with hydrolyzed collagen peptide supplements, that they can in fact lead to an increase in hydroxyproline, proline peptide levels in the plasma. So they definitely can be absorbed. I think where people get led astray is they really laser focus in on hydrolyzed collagen peptide supplements as protein. And they're really, yes, but at the same time, they're actually a functional ingredient. Given the tone of this video up until this point, you're probably suspicious thinking that I'm here to sell you on some kind of collagen peptide, especially if you're new here. If you're new here, I am not a huge proponent of collagen peptides. I'm actually kind of neutral on them, and I'll get into more of the myths, and hopefully that will explain that to you in a moment. I have no financial ties to the collagen peptide industry. All right, so this is the next myth, is for people who are more gung-ho about them. A lot of people are under the impression that hydrolyzed collagen peptide supplements are good for you. They are good for you. They are a good supplement for your overall nutrition, for your overall health. And I would strongly encourage you to rethink that, because hydrolyzed collagen peptide supplements are just that. They are dietary supplements. Dietary supplements are not regulated like medications are. They are not required to disclose to you potential risks, adverse effects, any potential interactions that it might have with medications. And if you go through the dietary collagen supplements, there are a lot of them that are not super transparent about where the peptides are coming from. Is it fish? Is it pork? Is it cow derived? This is really important because some people have severe allergies to, say, fish, for example. They're going to want to avoid dietary supplements from fish. Collagen peptide supplements, while generally well tolerated, they can and do have side effects. I already alluded to the fact that, allergic reactions are a major concern. There have been cases of severe allergic reactions to collagen supplements. Also, common adverse effects are headache, digestive upset, bloating, gastrointestinal reflux. And there's also the pressing concern regarding dietary supplements as a whole and contamination or inclusion of things not disclosed on the label. This is why I recommend, if you're going to use a dietary supplement, choose one that has some sort of third-party testing associated with it, NSF certified for sport, for example. But many dietary supplements have been found to be adulterated with contaminants. And with regards to collagen peptides, there's concern for heavy metal contamination. But I want to draw your attention to this in the fall of 2023, this tennis player, I just recently came across this because I don't follow tennis, Simona Halep. She failed a drug test for WADA, which is, in professional sport, athletes have to be tested to make sure that they're not using banned substances, performance-enhancing drugs. She came up positive for roxadustat, which is a banned substance because what it is it makes your body essentially make more red blood cells. So it gives you a competitive...
Wait a fucking second, this happened to John Jones. He said he was taking a collagen supplement. Or was it Pogba? Wait. He tested positive for fucking testosterone. Well, John Jones must have tested positive for cocaine, but other than that, what was he tested positive for? Pew, pew, pew. In 2017, it was turinabol. Ooh-wee. This reads like a GTA plotline. He threatened the cops by saying, "Do you know what happens to people who come to my fucking house? They end up dead." He threatened the testing agent. I swear to God. And then he deleted it. And then he was caught off guard by the unprofessionalism of the testing agent after threatening him. And denied threatening. Oh, he denied threatening us with violence and denounced accusations as baseless. Bro, he's John Jones. He has to look at you and you get scared. Well, anyways.
Competitive advantage. You have more oxygen carrying capacity. You are faster, but it's also can cause serious health effects like strokes. She had been taking a collagen supplement, and they found out that the collagen supplement she was taking contained undisclosed roxadustat. This banned substance. The fact that this was found in the collagen supplement, that should give everyone pause with regards to dietary supplements because that can cause serious adverse health effects. I pointed this out before too in some of my videos on supplements that cause acne. Certain muscle building supplements, marketed as like protein supplements, they have been found to be adulterated with anabolic steroids, giving people acne, and of course failing these drug tests if you're in professional sport. So, be aware of that when it comes to dietary supplements. The other myth that I hear is that this is a good source of protein. Hydrolyzed collagen peptides are, primarily skewed to having proline, hydroxyproline, glycine. They don't actually contain tryptophan, and they're very low in branched chain amino acids. And specifically, if you are looking to include more protein in your diet for athletic reasons, for muscle building, hydrolyzed collagen peptides are not the source that you want because they're incomplete. They lack the branched chain amino acids, no tryptophan, which is an essential amino acid. So they're really not, you really shouldn't, if you're somebody who just wants to get a little bit more protein in your diet, you've struggled to get protein in your diet and you want to turn to a protein powder, a protein supplement, I would steer you away from collagen.
You just get isover.
peptides because that's really not, I mean, you're really selling yourself short there. You're not getting a good amino acid profile. The final collagen myth is that, well, collagen creams are completely useless. You know, you're not going to get collagen from a cream. Useless depends on how you're looking at things.
So she has her own CeraVe tie-up. CeraVe is a good company to tie up with, and she sells her own clothes. Oh, that's cool.
So collagen in creams, moisturizers, serums, it works to improve moisture retention in skin's outermost layer. So it's definitely not useless. I mean, if you think collagen is useless in creams, you also have to say glycerin is useless. You also have to say hyaluronic acid is useless. You have to say that, I mean, name your favorite humectant and call it useless. And
But that's the thing. The rest of the humectants are cheap as shit. And collagen is really fucking expensive to buy and put in your products. And especially when there's no research showing significant improvement in the skin due to topical collagen application. Why will I spend 20 rupees per product for collagen when I can get done with the best quality hyaluronic acid for 4 or 5 rupees per bottle, like per jar of my cream? Why should I spend in collagen? Why? Especially when ceramides give you much better. Ceramides have much more proven benefits than collagen. So why should I spend on collagen? I will spend on niacinamides. They have much better. They have much better. What's it called? Result ratios and all that. So I really don't understand why what the race behind collagen is, other than the. I found one study saying collagen works so well for your skin, and even that one didn't have a control group. It didn't have an explicit control group. It didn't account for placebo effect. It's not a really good study, but a lot of people say it works for them. So
that's not
yeah, well, you gotta figure it out. Does it work for you? I really need to know. Does it or does it not?
true because these ingredients, they help with moisture retention, and honestly at the end of the day that's actually one of the most important ways in which skincare products work to your advantage by improving moisture content in skin's outermost layer. So collagen in products definitely can be helpful for moisturizing the skin. Now it's way too large to ever have a fighting chance of getting into your skin and aiding in replenishment of collagen. So you know, don't look at it that way, but it's definitely not completely useless. In fact, it's even included in a newer prescription formulation of tretinoin Altreno lotion for its moisturizing properties to help cut down on dryness and irritation that people often experience with tretinoin. All right, so those are some myths regarding collagen supplements on dryness and irritation that people often experience with to help cut down on dryness and irritation that people often experience with tretinoin. All right, so those are some myths regarding collagen supplements specifically. But I will end by giving you some of my thoughts regarding the landscape of literature regarding dietary collagen supplements and skin. Like I said at the beginning of the video, there are research studies.
It's calling. Hello.
अरे भैया सारस्वत हॉस्पिटल इस सिकंदरा गोदला रोड पे पड़ता है या अंदर पड़ता है सर कारगिल पेट्रोल पंप से कमल विहार
भैया ये देखो आप देवीराम है ना, देवीराम फूड सर्कल.
देवीराम
Let me mute this.
मैं इधर से आ रहा हूँ जैसे बोतला चौराहे से.
बोदला चौराहे से आ रहे हो आप? अच्छा, बोदला चौराहे से आ रहे हो ना, तो वो कारगिल पे तिराया जो है वहां से अंदर आना, ठीक है? वहां पे आप
कमल विहार वाला रोड
हाँ
है वो.
हाँ हाँ हाँ, तो वहां पे परी रेस्टोरेंट वाला चौराहा देखा है?
कौन सा?
परी रेस्टोरेंट वाला चौराहा, एक तरफ यूएफसी जिम है, एक तरफ परी रेस्टोरेंट है
हाँ हाँ
है ना? तो उससे सीधे हाथ पे लेना आप, ठीक है? वो रोड जहाँ खत्म हो रही होगी ना, तो वहां पे खत्म होने के 20 मीटर पहले एक उल्टे हाथ पे कट गया है टंकी के लिए.
अच्छा अच्छा
हाँ, तो टंकी पे आके मुझे कॉल करना, ठीक है?
ठीक है ठीक है.
ठीक है, फिर टंकी से सीधे ही आना, बस मैं बता दूंगा. तो आप ध्यान रखना, वो चौराया पड़ेगा परी रेस्टोरेंट वाला, वहां से आपको सीधे हाथ पे लेना है. और फिर वहां पे रोड खत्म हो रही है, हाई टेंशन का खंभा होगा, तो रोड जहाँ पे खत्म हो रही है उस तिराहे पे आपको लेफ्ट नहीं लेना है, उल्टे हाथ पे नहीं लेना, उसके 20 मीटर पहले ही आपको उल्टे हाथ पे ले लेना है ना? छोटी सी गली गई है अंदर, वहां पे काले रंग का बोर्ड भी लगा हुआ सारस्वत हॉस्पिटल का.
अच्छा अच्छा
हाँ भैया.
ठीक है भैया.
नेटफ्लिक्स पे ना Okay, guys, we're back and back and back and back.
Studies, trials showing an improvement in hydration, in wrinkles, in smoothness, elasticity, decrease in pore size. As far as the mechanism, few things. Yes, you're getting some amino acids that are detected in the plasma after you ingest these supplements and make their way to the skin to serve for the building blocks of collagen. That's part of how they may work. But the other part is that peptide that is absorbed in the small intestine makes its way in the circulation, through the circulation to the dermis. It's thought that the little peptide, once it gets there, what it does is it binds to receptors on those fibroblast cells and encourages them to make new healthy collagen. Now, this hasn't really been rigorously proven, but that is the current working theory as to how these work and why it is so specific to the hydrolyzed collagen peptide. Because again, if you go back to the other things that people might want to try, like gelatin, bone broth, or meats, you're not actually going to get significant levels of those peptides. Now, I will point this out, that there is a lot of heterogeneity. I said this at the beginning. There's a lot of heterogeneity in these studies. Yes, there was recently, a few years ago, a big meta-analysis looking at all of the studies that concluded that these supplements can have some benefit for the skin. But critiques of that meta-analysis really hone in on the fact that there's so much heterogeneity in the different studies. Like, they're all using different types of collagen peptides from different sources. They're reporting on different things. They're using different measures.
I think this is the same study that we just saw.
So the overall meta-analysis is actually really poor quality. And even though the meta-analysis says, oh, this is what these studies show, the meta-analysis itself, it has some problems with it. The other thing we don't know is to what extent everyone benefits from taking these. It may be the kind of thing that really only more mature skin types benefit from due to, lack of collagen, or is there, some tipping point? Does dose vary by age? There are a lot of unknowns. People often ask me, what's the best type of collagen? Liquid, capsule, gummy? Who knows? Who knows? These are questions.
Well, so heterogeneity, for those of you who were not here when I was explaining it, heterogeneity is when you heterogeneity is when you have a lot of different parameters and metrics while you're doing a study. So, for example, let's say we're doing a study of me playing tennis, right? I'm the first subject. The second subject is, okay, I'll explain this better. We're doing a study of people's forehands in lawn tennis, okay? Yeah, so when we're doing this, what it means is I am me, my friend Mayank, and my friend Tanush. All three of us are having this study conducted कि forehand कितना accurate होता है tennis में when you're playing it on the same level that we three are broadly same level. Now, homogeneity in this study, homo means similar, genity means attraction. Homogeneity in this study would be when all three of us have the same shoes, the same clothes, and the same racket, and we are all playing on the same surface. So that would be an accurate study because हम तीनों को same parameters पे जाना पड़ेगा. सेम पैरामीटर्स पे हम तीनों की रेटिंग होगी. नाउ हेट्रोजेनिटी वुड बी इफ मैंने अलग जूते पहने हैं, उसने अलग जूते पहने हैं, मैंने लॉन्ग स्लीव शर्ट पहनी है, उसने जैकेट पहनी है, और तीसरे बंदे ने लाइक चड्डी पहनी हुई है, जस्टिस चड्डी. मैं बैबलेट के रैकेट से खेल रहा हूँ, बीच वाला हेड के रैकेट से खेल रहा है, तीसरा विल्सन के रैकेट से खेल रहा है. तो ये सारी चीज़ें कहीं ना कहीं आपके फोरहैंड को बहुत अच्छी तरीके से अफेक्ट करेंगी. दैट्स वाई इट वुड बी ए हेट्रोजेनियस स्टडी which would mean a lot of different inconsistencies within the study. And that's exactly what I was noticing when I was doing the studies, because even the study जो मैंने देखी उसमें 8 जो थे वो हाइड्रोप्लास्ट कोलाजेंस थे फ्रॉम डिफरेंट सोर्सेज. हाइड्रोलाइज कोलाजन थे, एक कोलाजन ट्राइपेप्टाइड था, और 2 किसी टाइप 1 के कोलाजेंस थे. सो दैट वाज नॉट कंक्लूसिव. No, but the thing is, so many people swear by collagen. Yeah, so many people swear by collagen. It just doesn't make any sense. Like, how is this possible? Okay, people swear by something so much which just doesn't work. And if it does work, then why have the studies not been homogeneous? Because usually, like I used to do this in my university, अगर मैं कोई study कर रहा हूँ to design something and it's not working my way, I would screw up the parameters. Like I would make the study heterogeneous, right? Within different subjects, I would make it heterogeneous to make the result come out my way. Like I would do this just to get marks, but you understand my point. So you understand why someone would do that. For example, if a person has a product in their mind that they need to make, and they need a survey to verify their idea and not the other way around. You don't need a survey to verify the product, you need a product to verify the survey. If that's what's going on, that's when you screw up the results. That's the only possible reason for you to want to screw up the results. It just doesn't make any sense. No fucking sense at all. Like, why would you do that? It doesn't make any sense. You're a fucking bachelor student. You know what the fuck you're doing. And if you don't know what you're doing, then you wouldn't be getting published where that literature review study got published. They must have been knowing what they were doing. Unless, somebody warmed their hands.
For which research has not tested or provided answers. Again, there's a lot of variability out there. So keep all of that in mind. So when I say I'm neutral on the collagen supplements, I'm not, I understand people taking them. They're not complete BS. There's definitely research supporting that they have the potential to work. But I'm not going to push you guys to use them. And again, I decline any sponsorship opportunities for these because A, I don't use them myself, and B, I'm on the fence. So
Oh, fuck my life. I need to go for a second. Somebody's calling me. हाँ भैया.
पानी की टंकी के पास खड़ा हूँ, जो शांति कुंज कॉलोनी है.
हाँ शांति कुंज जा रही होगी, उसके सीधे हाथ में भी एक रोड जा रही होगी, है ना?
हाँ, आगे सामने को और अंदर जा रही है.
हाँ, उस सीधे हाथ वाली रोड पे ले लो, सीधे चलते जाओ. कंस्ट्रक्शन हो रहा है एक सफेद सा घर का, वो उसके सीधे चलते जाना वहां से. तो जहाँ से रोड मुड़ रही है ना उल्टे हाथ पे, वहीं पे रुक जाना. वहीं पे सारस्वत हॉस्पिटल सीधे हाथ पे पड़ जाएगा, उसी मोड़ पे तुम्हारे.
अच्छा.
ठीक है. हाँ वो टिर्री वाला आ गया लाइटें लेके, ले लो उससे।
मैं संजय पहले रुका
अबे अच्छा रुको, मैं निकलवा लूंगा, मैं निकलवा लूंगा। थोड़ी देर में कंटिन्यू करूंगा मैं लाइव स्ट्रीम को, रियली हैव टू गो डिस्कनेक्ट।